Welcome to our English lesson. Unit 3, Lesson 1, Family Relationships. Lesson Objectives. Use about family members' words in basic exchanges on a growing range. Describing family members using the possessive noun on a limited range of curricular topics.
English Sing.
Family. Hello. Let me introduce my family. It's me. Me. He is my father. She is my mother. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. They are my parents. 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 He is my brother. She is my sister. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. He is my grandfather. She is my grandmother. Grandfather. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandmother. They are my grandparents. 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 He is my uncle. Oh, he is my uncle too. Uncle. Uncle. She is my aunt. 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 She is my cousin. 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 My family. They are my family members. I love them.
Review. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandparents. Father. Mother. Parents. Uncle. Uncle. Aunt. Brother. Me. Sister. Cousin. My family.
Task 1. You will fill the blanks using the words in the box. Divide into two groups according to gender. For example, granddad, grandma. Okay. Write in your copybook.
Tag yourself. Granddad, grandma, dad, mom, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, niece, nephew, father-in-law, mother-in-law, husband, wife, cousin, cousin.
Singular possessive noun. A noun that shows one person, place, or thing owning something. For example, my brother's friend, the river's banks, the bus's windows.
Let's talk about Tom's family members. Mark is Tom's father. Helen is Tom's mother. Sam is Tom's granddad. Mary is Tom's grandma. Sarah is Tom's sister.
Task 2. Look at Sue's family tree. Use the words above to complete the sentences on page 33. For example, Mark is Sue's dad. He is her dad. Express your reflection about lesson using special emotional symbols. Thank you for your attention.